slide. Before at the outset, I would like to congratulate everyone who are present over here. Good afternoon, one and all present over here. And I am Dr. Sarath Kumar Misra. And currently I am working as the director of one of the leading institute in Northern Odisha, that is Baleshwar College of Engineering and Technology. And I am having around more than 30 years of experience in teaching and research, even 2 years more in industrial field. And I have authored 7 books to my credits and more than 80 papers, in particularly Scopus, SCI, and Web of Science in journals. And I have already guided 2 more students as a scholar in PhD and many more in MTech students. And today I have chosen the topic broadly since I belong to that department, particularly that branch. I thought to share what is the reality and behind it, why one should choose mechanical engineering. That is the objective of sharing my slides.
Sir, before you show your slide, I take a permission that, sir, let me start down, and our principal sir will also interrupt with some of the notes, then you can share your slides, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, no problem. Sir. Thank you so much, sir. Let me start the session, sir. Sir, I think my PPT has been visualized.
Yeah, visualized.
Okay, sir. Thank you. A very good afternoon to all. Esteemed speaker for today's session, respected principal and dear participants. I, Professor Smita Rai, welcome you all to the forum where we all have gathered to explore and engage in a meaningful discussion on engineering careers, pathway to innovation and impact on mechanical engineering and aspiration. We all know that engineering offers a vast and dynamic career prospect across multiple disciplines, which is one of the extreme global field in today's world. Core branches such as mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical engineering provides an opportunity in various structures like construction, manufacturing, energy, and infrastructure development. Emerging fields like computer science, robotics, artificial intelligence, data analytics are giving a greater opportunity of transferring industry in various sectors. With advancing technology and global connectivity, engineering continues to be a great way to innovation, leadership, impactful problem solving, and ensuring a sustained career growth in the professionals. I'm honored to have with us an exceptional speaker who will bring a wealth of expertise and diverse specification in our discussions. Today's program, I'll be giving on to the guest introduction. About the institution will be given by the principal Pramod Kumar Krishti sir. Career prospects, which will be given by the esteemed guest speaker Sharath Kumar Mishra, coming down with the last interaction and vote of thanks. Today, to give us the brief idea, we have a distinguished guest, Mr. Sharath Kumar Mishra, the director of Baleshwar College of Engineering and Technology. He holds a MTech in Mechanical Engineering from NIT Rourkela and a PhD in the engineering from BPUT, which has been a distinguished organization. He has also a fellow of Institution of Engineers with a journey span of 29 years in teaching, including 8 years of the experience in principal as a premium engineering colleges. Throughout his career, he has a remarkable contribution to research, giving down 33 research papers and articles published in reputed national and international journals. Additionally, he has written 8 textbooks on engineering subject, which is invaluable resources for students and professionals alike. A dedicated mentor as a guider, he has enormous students in MTech, BTech, PhD project and research work. He has actively supported faculty and staff in achieving prestigious national accreditations such as NBA, NAC, and autonomous status at institutions like DREAMS. His dedication towards education has been recognized through numerous honors with Best Teacher Award from ISTE in 2016, Best Principal Award for the Institution of Engineer 2019. Under his visionary, he has also received AIET earned the Green Campus Award from AICTE 2020 and ISTE. Indian honored the institution with the Best College of Odisha Award in 2023. We are grateful to have you with us amongst us. With this, I request the principal to give a brief idea and a greater visionary about the institution. Over to you, sir.
Jai Jagannath. A very good afternoon to one and all. A very warm greetings to all of you. I am Professor Dr. Pramod Kumar Prusti, Principal, IIMT Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Take this privilege to brief you about our institute and its activities. InterScience Institute of Management and Technology Bhubaneswar was established in the year 2007 with an objective of teaching science of management in addition to the practice of management. The name itself explains about the scientific study of management, and further to mention that it is inscribed in our institute logo. We are a UNESCO Unity Institute of UNESCO Chair, Professor of Economic Systems and Human Rights, Professor Francisco Vigliarolo, National University of La Plata. Let me now explain what we mean by teaching science of management. During these 15 years of excellence, we have organized, facilitated more than 100 symposium and seminar, workshops, national and international, in various niche areas of management and technology. Since our inception, we at IIMT have edited and published more than 100 volumes in the area of management and technology from reputed publishing houses like IEEE, ACM, Springer, Elsevier, iOS, SPY, Clear Academic, MDPI, Hindawi, or InterScience, etc. All these books are available for purchase from Google or Amazon. All our faculty members are engaged in these activities. Each year, we invite and host professors from abroad for workshops and seminars. I am tempted to say that last year, Professor Jesus Garcia from Universidad Complutense de Madrid and Professor Vijayan Sugmaran from Oakland University School of Business visited our campus. During the month of April 2023, Professor Vipul Jain was here from Victoria University, Wellington, for a month on a research exchange program. We publish management books through our own in-house publication, that is IIMT Lecture Notes on Management, where we publish the essential books like Self-Management, Career Guidance, and Emerging Fields of Management. We have started one channel, namely IIMT Open House in YouTube. The purpose is to educate students and parents at large on various subjects and disciplines through talks and interviews. By now, we have more than 100 episodes available at our YouTube channel, namely @IIMT Open House. We have taken interviews with professors, professionals, entrepreneurs, and policymakers. From the academic session 2025-26, apart from the management courses of BBA and MBA and computer application courses of BCA and MCA, we will be entering into engineering courses, providing wide range of opportunities for our students. The courses offered are BTech program, Civil Engineering Core, Computer Science and Engineering Core, Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, Computer Science and Engineering, Cyber Security, Electrical Engineering Core, Mechanical Engineering Core, MTech program, Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. IIMT Bhubaneswar offers scholarships and awards to recognize and encourage academic excellence among students in science, technology, engineering, and management fields, sponsored by renowned personalities. These awards celebrate achievements such as the highest CGPA and exceptional performance in specific subjects, fostering innovation and dedication among students. We have created a platform known as InterScience Research Networks, consisting of professionals and researchers. It is available at www.interscience.ac.in, through which we organize various programs inside and outside India. We do arrange workshops and seminars at various universities. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir, with further ado, thank you for making our college to grow day by day with your vision and mission. Thank you so much, Prusti sir. Moving on to the next. Without further ado, let me invite our speaker to share his thought and guide us and think differently on the subject mechanical engineering and aspiration. Over to you, sir. I'm just stopping my share. You can just share it. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
The slides which are now showing, is it visible also?
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
So
Right.
no need to give the brief introduction to me, because I have already told about me. I introduced you all, and thank you once again giving me a chance in your platform. And I'm
It's
really
an
thankful
honor.
to. I am also thankful to Mr. Patnaik, who is the person behind your growth at the institute, and thank all the participants and the persons behind this, or behind this organizing this seminar, this webinar. Thank you. So my topic I have chosen as the mechanical engineering aspiration for the future generation, with completely unbiased and without any discriminating any other branches, because I love mechanical engineering and what is the future scope of engineering. That is my objective to speak or about, and for which the students can take admission. Then particularly they can take benefit out of that my slides. And the slides I have prepared by taking the help of many authentic things, and also by prepared by self realization and my own knowledge and expertise. That's all. Thank you. First, before going to this my topic, one should know what do you mean engineering first. What is engineering? So everybody is really uh, uh, it's very curious to know what is engineering. Even as a layman should know what is engineering. Engineering is nothing but the use of science and mathematics to design and make things. That's all. People who do engineering are called engineers, and they learn engineering at colleges, in universities, and many other institutes. And engineers usually design, build things, and solve technical problems. That's why they are called problem solvers. So whatever the things, design, development, products you are watching, witnessing in the modern days are really developed by mechanical engineers. Before going to my topic, you should know, should know what is the real difference between science and engineering. Are they same or different? No, completely different. Science is all about theory, mathematical principle knowledge, whereas engineering is all about invention, implementation of theories and mathematical knowledge to the benefit of the society and mankind for development of the products and design and manufacturing. The main force behind the growth and the modernization of civilization in the whole world is the application of engineering and technology in almost in every field and domain. As rightly said by Albert Einstein, the famous scientist of the millennium, scientists investigate that which already is, whereas engineers create that which has never been. So this slide really shows a buzz, because this is the itself the engineering the word is a buzzword, because engineering, it consists of the characters of the alphabets doesn't mean that a simple sentence you understand. So from my slides, you can understand that it is completely, it is a planning, product, process, solution, answer, solving, structure, business, marketing, generation, everything. It is a complete conglomeration of all things. So before go to the topic, we should know what is mechanical engineering. What is the real definition of mechanical engineering? Why should we choose? One should choose mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is the branch which applies principle of physics and mathematics and material science for the design, analysis, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems. It involves everything from the development of tools, machines, mechanisms to the power generation system also. Importance of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers contribute to various sectors, including transportation, aerospace, energy, automotive, manufacturing, robotics, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, in every sphere, even also modern day manufacturing, and that is also CNC machines, computer numerical control license. What is my overview of presentation? Briefly, it is mentioned, it covers the history of the engineering, mechanical engineering, scope, career prospects, research, advancement, future trend in mechanical engineering. So origin of mechanical engineering. Ancient civilization like the Egyptians and Greeks used this basic mechanical principle to build simple machines like pulleys, levers, wheels, all small machine tools designed and developed and brought up from the stones. Whereas in early contribution from the inventors like Archimedes, who is really called as the father of the ancient engineering, and the hero of Alexandria, that is who has invented the steam power devices, and spinning Jenny, who invented the James Hargreaves. So these are the initial engineering practices they have done. But in modern engineering, it starts during the 18th, between the 18th century and 19th century, when the James Watt invented the that is you called modern steam engine. Steam engine means everywhere in the earlier stage we have also witnessed the locomotives in which used to sit in earlier days, so locomotives which are governed by steam engines. So technological evolution. So after the 19th century and 20th century and 21st century, so there is a great revolution takes place, and technological evolution you may say, from the steam engine to early machineries to modern robotics and advanced manufacturing to 3D printing to artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning, all those things. So evolution of machines in ancient to modern. Early machines examples, the water wheel, early steam engines, and the mechanical clocks. Modern machines transition to test machines, combustion engines, automated systems, advanced robotics, 3D printing, and CNC machines. Comparison with today's shows various comparison on early machines, that is the steam engine to the modern machines, that is CNC mills, CNC lathes, automatic robotics arms, 3D printing, all those things. Scope of mechanical engineering, what are the, it is a very wide scope and range of scopes, and if you say it includes design, analysis, manufacturing of everything, from the small components to large industry machineries. Key areas to be focused, particularly in design and manufacturing, generally in product design, CAD, CAM, robotics, drone technology, and EV vehicles, electrical vehicles. Thermal sectors like in heat engines and refrigeration and heat ventilation, air conditioning systems. And fluid mechanics areas like pumps, turbines, hydraulic systems, which are widely used in all industries, in all sectors, even in medical sectors also. Material science, where in selection of testing of materials, like smart materials, products, design systems, these are all aspects. And the software fields like the FEM, finite element analysis, or ANSYS, CFD, Fluent, AML, and all other areas. Everywhere scopes are there. Applications are in aerospace engineering, automotive, robotics, power generation, and manufacturing industries. So design and manufacturing, where the product design, CAD, CAM, robotics are there. In product design, already you've used nowadays using the technology like ergonomics design, where that means eco-friendly to the human being. And the card means the computer design, and the CAM is computer manufacturing. This is now very fast technological system where the manufacturing systems, manufacturing of units, manufacturing of components and machines are being done. And robotics now it plays a very vital role, and mechanical engineers also very vital role in this field. Although some electronics integration and computer science integration is there. 1 minute just to speak them. I'm sorry. Thermal system, heat engine refrigeration, heat engine, mechanical engineering design and optimization heat engine, such as internal combustion engines and gas turbines to convert thermal energy to mechanical powers. And in refrigeration sector, they also develop refrigeration system, including air conditioning, heat pump, and to provide cooling, temperature control, etc. And heat and ventilation, air conditioning, heating, ventilation, air conditioning systems are another area where everywhere we need comfort, cool, everything, where mechanical engineers are working, and particularly in every sector. So, also there is a huge scope in fluid mechanics, that where the pumps, turbines, hydraulic machines are being designed, developed, and particularly pumps in mechanical engineering, and for transport engineering, for the pumping of liquids, oil, all those things. And hydraulic systems like everywhere, where the pressurized fluids are being used to transmit power, where the heavy loads are being lifted or raised or down with the help of, in every, you will see by the help of mechanical engineers, they used to do in many areas like your coastal areas, where like ports and everywhere. And the material selections are also very important. Metallurgical science, although it is a derived branch, where selection of materials for design and of components are very essential. Generally, it is done basically by the mechanical engineers, and that's why it is a great scope in this field also. And come to the analytics, particularly global mechanical engineer service market size. If you go at scopes, comparison to all other branches, if you take from 2021 to 2031, it is an guess, not guess, it is an actually estimates, statistics, which is not, which has been already existing in everywhere. That is a snap or Photoshop I have taken. See the growth, particularly in 2020 first, it was around 53. That is, you see, initially in the 2023, I'm talking not about coming to 2023 to 2030. It was around 6 million crores, which is approximately 800 billions. The size of the volume of market size in comparison to, means it includes the production, salary component, everything. And it is projected by 5.96 in every year growth, which will be around, I may see, 9 to 12 million crores by 2030. That means which in comparison to other compound annual growth rate, if you compare to other branches in electrical, civil engineering or computer science, will never happen. So that means the mechanical engineering all time is a real branch, chosen branch, a royal branch, and people should choose this branch because it has a great, the competitors are very less in this field, and the job market is huge opening, and so it is a great option to excel their career. And this also pie chart, and I've given the mechanical engineering service market analyst, the design, detection, consults, and others. And this is in the form of percentage of observation, or you may say employment. And mechanical service market analyst, I've already, in terms of bar chart, I've given communication industry, see, in crores, in terms of artificial intelligence industry, in transportation, other areas. So in every field, it has a mechanical engineering has a variety of fields. Not that they will be stick into the mechanical engineering. It has an extended to also in software engineering, in IT industry, in everywhere sectors. So because the fact is that a computer engineer will never become a mechanical engineer, whereas in a mechanical engineer will be a computer engineer at any time, at any cost, at anywhere if somebody wants. Next one is career opportunity, and in industries employing mechanical engineers, where in automobile industry, aerospace engineering, energy sectors, robotics, manufacturing sectors, and your air conditioning sectors, medical devices, instrumentations, and also biomedical devices, and also defense sector also, in also government sectors also. Types of roles: design engineer, manufacturing engineer, research engineer, project manager, and also software engineer also. And IT industry. Growth opportunity: mechanical engineers can move into a senior role as a R&D manager in CTO, as well as the CEO, chief executive officer in some companies, and the head of this company, as you saw in his CEO of the Google, Sundar Pichai, who is also from is a brought up an alumni of IIT Kharagpur from metallurgical engineer. And flexibility is variety, broad. Mechanical engineering in the global job market, demand across the world, it is huge. Salary comparison, if we talk about, it is huge also in comparison to other all branches. Job opportunities also very open, and opportunities are huge. Challenges, although the challenges are more, but the opportunities and openings are more in comparison to all branches, because they have in all other branches, they have a limited period of openings and surge, whereas in mechanical engineering, they do not have, it has a steep growth. There will no fall at all, fall down at all. So mechanical engineering in the global job market, already I have shown you, this is some comparison statement within a bar chart I have given. In United States, see, it is highest, because in the United States, USA, you will see some software engineers are from other states, other countries like in India, Pakistan, and nearby Arabians like this. But in mechanical, most of the mechanical engineers are from the USA are observed in USA, and they are getting salary much better than just IT software engineers who are observed in USA. So the highest paid engineers in US are mechanical engineers rather than software engineers, because since we do not know, we compare with the dollars with the rupees. That's why the dollars there and software engineers earning in the USA looking also very huge. Similarly, in country like Germany also, mechanical engineers are getting much more salary than other branches. United Kingdom also, in Canada, in Australia, except in India. In India, it's very less. They are software engineers in the IT industry are little bit get more salary, but in comparison, not in much. In fact, it is not high as comparison to mechanical. In China also, in Japan also, you see mechanical engineers are getting more advantage, more preferable position, and more getting more salary in crores, even more than that also. Recruitment trends in mechanical engineering, growth remains more. Tough recruiters industry, like I've already told, automotive, aerospace, energies, robotics, manufacturing, 3D printing, and key skills: card proficiency, problem solving, knowledge, manufacturing, process, strong mathematical analytics skill, all those things which are required by the mechanical engineers. Higher education scopes are that mechanical engineers can go to any extent. You can go for MTech in any, not that in mechanical engineering. A mechanical engineer can pursue also MTech in computer science engineering, electrical engineering, VLSI, anywhere, because there is no barrier to only choose only mechanical branches, particularly in thermal, industrial, or manufacturing, like no, there is no barrier. They can go to any extent, they can choose any branches. Specialization, they can. They have a lot of specialization. Robotics play a great role in our day-to-day life, because in medical field you are looking, also watching that robots are also replacing doctors who are precisionally operating the patients. And automotive engineers, right now, the future generation, hydrogen engineer, you may say, electrical vehicles are also there where the observation employment is more. So these are the very great opportunity for mechanical engineers. Top university, they like might transports everything. The higher they can go also, they can pursue their higher study in abroad also. Comparison, I'm not giving comparison to any other, only I've selected others. Mechanical versus others. Use a comparative table or chart to show key difference in scopes, areas, focus, job prospects, industry application. Already I have shown. Why mechanical engineering stands out? Mechanical engineering offers the broadest range of application, making it highly versatile compared to more specialized fields like civil, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, chemical engineering, computer science engineering, and IT everywhere. This is the employability among the engineering graduate sectors in India from 2014 to 2024. That is just in 10 years. If you see, in 2024, you see, if you talk about the observation or the employment of all engineers across the India, employability, the only 64.67% of mechanical engineers have been got their place, and rest 40 around some percentage will come, 36% will come approximately, are all other engineers being applied by all sectors. So here see the sizes of the mechanical engineering. That means the employment in the percentage is more in comparison to other branches. These are the growing skill here, because skill is most important to get into these industries. Here the if you expect in the 2023 up to that infrastructure around 103 million employments are still lying, means recruitment that need to do. Similarly, in automobile field, 35 million requirement is there. Building 33 mechanical engineers, textile and transportation engineering, organized retail sales. So real estate service also mechanicals are also being observed. The requirement is also high, 40 millions requirements. Healthcare, 12 million. Food processing, education skills, because so in education fields also, like your many like your One Academy or many many YouTubers also are employing mechanical engineers. Many startups also recruiting mechanical engineers. So besides that's what mechanical engineers need to know, because what are the other skills which is highly required to be a mechanical engineer. Not that only their knowledge or their only knowledge on the domain is required. No, other skills which is also very important, like to become a successful engineer, soft skill is very important. Teamwork is working as a team member, because to communicate with the teammates is also very important. So teamwork is about commercial awareness. Even mechanical engineers should know about the commercial aspects of all products, the availability through the various information, and informative and self-motivated written communication. This is to have flexibility of means in any case he may face a challenge, but if he has a positive attitude and if flexibility attitude will be there, they can survive and also adapt it. Time management is very important. So because since the enrollment here it is a funnel, I have shown it is a funnel. So enrollment are there. Many engineers are so being produced by many colleges, but there is a filtration process. Although all engineers who are coming into this filter are mechanical engineers, but few of finished products, like those who know the soft skill, have the teamwork, leadership quality, analytical mindset, problem solving skill, they will be only observed in industry. Upcoming future trends in mechanical engineering, already I've told the automation and AI, artificial intelligence, smart manufacturing, 3D printing, nanotechnology is a vast future trends now, where mechanical engineers will get jobs. Roles of mechanical engineers in these trends, mechanical engineers will lead in designing, implementing these technologies in real world applications. Vision of the future, the increased sustainability, smarter rise, and of course IoT is now, because industry 4.0 now is industry 5.0 will coming upcoming. So since nowadays all the machines and machineries and are automated and is integrated with IoT, that is Internet of Things. So mechanical engineering has a huge scope and probable chance to get into observe in this field. Drone technology, a key area of growth. One can, after mechanical engineering, one can choose and specialize in drone technology, where he can or she can get his job. As you know that, and the future outlook, because drone has a now in the future, you may say, which will be widely used, not only particularly in the industry, it will be used in defense, in farming, and every sector for surveillance purpose and for like yes, Nowadays, also some medical science also using tiny and drones also for medical services also. So automation, robotics also in robotics fields, mechanical engineering has a has a very wide scope job opportunity, careers prospects of point of view. See, because mechanical role of mechanical engineers is only to design the robots, programming automated systems, and ensuring safety and efficiency. So there is a great scope in this area field. Renewable energy, it's a also because as you know that in future there is a great sort of thermal energy, or you may say the heat energy which are available in the either in thermal power plant, and that is in the fossil fuel, the burn combustion of fossil fuel or hydraulic energy, but sustainability is very less, so people still believe on renewable. So there is a great scope in manufacturing, design, and also develop of in particularly in the field of renewable energy, where the huge openings are also there in comparison to other engineering. Leading industry for mechanical engineers, and you know the nowadays in every house you will see instead of a bicycle you will see two-wheeler and four-wheelers. Now the recruiting companies, leading companies who recruits more 90% of their employees, engineering employees are mechanicals, are Ford or Toyota, Tata, Reynolds, all these, Hyundai, all those things. And the role model, who are the industrialists and inventors in mechanical engineering, and notable figures. I have James Watt in 18th, 19th century, who invented steam engine, and some Tesla, Nikola Tesla, who actually invented and developed electrical power system. Henry Ford, who usually the Ford engine, but he's a industrialist, a manufacturer, inventor, engineer, particularly for the mass production of every items of all automobile products. And George Stephenson, who was the inventor of locomotive also, who are the notable. These are notable mechanical engineers, role models. Role models in modern mechanical engineers, the Ratan Tata, who passed away recently, really salute, great heads up to him for his dedication to the nation. Anyway, roles in future, and Elon Musk also, who is also still now working in SpaceX, and is the head of the Tesla, who produces EV vehicles, you know, and he already spoke of observing mechanical engineers a few days back. The employment, he's squeezing down his employment in other sector, in IT segments, where it's increasing in particularly in core branches. And talk about the Anand Mahindra, the Tech Mahindra groups. They are the role models of modern engineering. Technological innovation in automotive industry, the electric EV vehicles, now the upcoming vehicles, in all within down the 5 years, or 5 years down the line, you see in roads, in every sector, even in the in seas also, EV will play a great role in driving force. So there is a great scope in openings in for mechanical engineering in EV areas. 3D printing, as you know that 3D printing is now replacing the old days lathe machines, your drilling machines, and your conventional machines like milling machines, because accurately, if you want to manufacture your own replica prototype, 3D printing machine can also, it scan and also manufacture you anybody. So so in these areas, a lot of openings are there, huge openings in comparison to other branches. Aerospace engineering also a frontier innovation. As you know that mechanical engineering is a great role in aerospace engineering and for propulsion system, although some integration of electronics engineering or computer science and electrical engineering are there, but the observation and employment scope, if we talk about job career prospectus, it has a great advantage and more openings are there. So similarly, in the career, a mechanical engineer can pursue his career after successful completion of BTech in CNC and laser cutting as a production engineer. So as the industry, as per the industry 4.0, all machines, robotics, and all machines are now integrated with the IoT, and run by AI, so, and operated by robotics. So that is there is a huge career opportunity in this also. Mechanical engineers, they can be observed a huge number in comparison to other engineering. Biometrics, biomechanics, and healthcare applications. I've already told that it is there is a huge requirement for mechanical engineers for design for any machines, mechanisms, all types of machines which are being now. You are looking at in your in machine device, starting from the stethoscope to your all types of machine which are being used for particularly in your X-ray machine or you CT scan, all those things. The importance of sustainability in mechanical engineering. Sustainable design is very important. That is reduce waste, utilize systems. Mechanical engineers should be upgraded their reskill all time. How to get it because of a sustainability is a very major factor aspects for the world. And green technology also very important because now all are expecting green energy, green things, green vegetable, green everything is looking after, all are looking after green to make the whole globe green. Otherwise, one day everything will be finished with this innovation and of use of the AI and all those things. Although AI has a great role for the not that for destruction, rather in construction way. Mechanical engineering and AI integration, already I have told AI is play a greater role, and nowadays according to NAP, artificial, even in the BPUT also, BPUT has just a few days back has given the notice that AI becomes now the professional core branch for all engineering. So earlier the Java and C, C++ and all the data structure and AI and ML is now becoming the general subject, general course in all engineering. So that means a mechanical engineer will learn artificial intelligence irrespective of their domain, like 3D printing and your robotics, EV, all those things. Whereas in comparison to other engineering, they have hardly limited scopes. Challenges, although every engineering field has challenges, design and complexity of materials, because every day we need very smart things, low density materials, low cost materials, low thermal high thermal conductivity all materials. So they have a lot of challenges for mechanical engineers, and they are working constantly in designing in R&D sectors. So there is a huge scope for mechanical engineers to work in R&D, in design and sector also. They can also technological changes, keeping in the rapid technological growth, advancement, evolving manufacturing methods, they have to adapt day by day. So that is also a great challenges in front of them. And the skills for the future for mechanical engineering. Key skills, cartography is also required, problem solving skills, critical thinking, project management, collaboration with multidisciplinary teams. And beside that, they need to know some types of any type of to know the skills particularly which will be used for design purpose, like FEA, finite element analysis, and your of course your ANSYS, which is very a design tool, some software tool also, SolidWorks, solid modeling, and also fluent CFD, like computational fluid dynamics. All those sectors, these skills they need to know during the study, 4-year study. For lifelong learning, because as you know that life learning is a process for everyone, right? Every human being, because to every field, because as you know that every day brings a new changes, and so with a new hope and new adaptation and a new you may say particularly anticipation, we need to update our upskill our knowledge every time. That is a life that need to do so that they can grow. Career pathway for mechanical engineering, career growth, already I have told, they have a progressive from entry level position to managerial to a specialized role like lead engineer, director position to any, even as a manager, entrepreneur, like this. Future specialization, further studies and certification course enhance to his skill also. In even after the graduation, he can go into the field of robotics and read and reread and skill himself or herself to become a leader in the field. Conclusion. Recap of the key point already I have told. Mechanical engineering is a diverse field, essential field that offers numerous career opportunity across the various industries. Future outlook: with continued technological advancement, the future of mechanical engineering is bright and full of exciting possibilities. Call to action: encourage the audience to explore future studies or careers in mechanical engineering to contribute to the innovations of tomorrow. And I think I have completed my slides. Till that, I thank you, you all, for listening patiently. If anything want to bring a change, need, and you want to add more besides my knowledge, I really congratulate you. Any questions from your end?
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Dr. Misra.